Hey everybody, today we take a trip to Door, Michigan. We're going to pick up some auctions for myself for eBay and also to sell online. And also some auctions for Andy Backyard Trucker. Let's go to Door, Michigan and pick them up. And I think I might even do some find-a-grave findings. Well, I stopped here. I really need a energy drink. Let's go. You gotta love this guy. I could barely get in my car. Here in Allegan County, if you go out in the country, you're probably gonna hit some dirt roads yet. Most of them are paved. Look at this house. That's cool. I would love to redo a house like that. Wouldn't that be fun? I have no idea where I'm going. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for $1, I bought a whole set of dishes. Now, normally I wouldn't buy this, but for $1, actually, here's the thing. It came with bubble wrap. And I thought, even if I don't want to deal with the dishes, it was worth the bubble wrap. But look, it's rattling. So I have another channel called Jody Genealogy, and I really like to volunteer for Find a Grave. So that's what I do as a hobby, and I enjoy doing it. So I'm gonna go up here to this church, St. Mary's. Is this the one I went to with my boyfriend long ago? I'm not sure. I think it might be the same one. It's a beautiful church. We're gonna go find this graveyard. Boy, this is different than I remember it. Okay. Let's see if we can find the graveyard. It's pretty busy. If it feels a little awkward, I might just keep driving. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here's the cemetery I'm going to. Look at this old house. Neat. So, yeah, this is gonna be the same church. Oh my word. Look at across the street. It's a really old area out here in the country. It's a really nice day, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, everybody. Okay, so I've got my list here of some people I'm gonna find in the cemetery. Hopefully, I stopped and got a energy drink because I am tired. Let's bring the purse. We need keys. Brr, it's cold. It is freezing. It looks like this is pretty well kept up though. And we're looking for some really old ones. Guess I wasn't thinking this morning that these are going to be people I know. See how much I pay attention? I'm so out of it in the morning. Okay, so one is over here. And this is Paul. But I need a Nicholas. And some of these might not have stones. I know it's going to be somewhere in here. Otherwise, it's definitely not going to be in the back because these are newer back here. So I'm assuming it's going to be in the front or by the church. I love these old stones. Isn't that pretty? And this is a Catholic cemetery. These stones are neat, I have to say. Look at that with the crosses. Oh, I love that. How you doing this morning? I'm freezing. Shorts. Oh, look at the little lamb. Hopefully they don't mind me being here. Well, this is pretty. Oh, that's where my family was from. It's from the same area, born in Wolsterstein, Bavaria. Okay, that's interesting. My family wasn't Catholic though. Isn't that pretty? It's so nice. There's some newer ones with some old ones. Now the township rules are if you are related to an older plot, you can actually put yourself in there instead. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I love that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look, they've got the house on there. See that? That looks just like the house I grew up in. Very, very similar. Oh, that's neat. Isn't that cool? Most of the homes in this door area look like that from the 70s. There's a lot of population that came over here in the 70s. Most of the houses in Door look just like that. I don't think I've ever seen a headstone with a house on it. Has anybody seen that before? I like when they put the married date on there. I think that's neat. Sometimes you'll see the wedding rings like this. I love that. Lately, I've been having trouble with vandalism. This one doesn't have any vandalism, which is nice. Also, these old trees, you can see here, they have this problem where things fall and ruin things. And usually you'll just let the cemetery people know and they'll fix it. And sometimes it's a big process. Look at this one. Oh, I love that. Look at that. I think that's German. I think. Maria Weber. Beautiful. Isn't that neat? Oh, I love that grave historian. Oh, that flag should have been on the center of that stone. How do you decide what's the center and then what's the right? I need like a education here. So this one, okay, so this one's on the right. The center. How do you decide what's the center and what's the right? Oh, is it because he's on the left, so then you put it in the center? Is that what it is? So, like, the right would be, I think what you're saying is the right would be the center here. Imagine yourself laying in the grave. Okay. Flag should be on the left shoulder, closest to the heart. Left shoulder is my right side. Okay. So my right. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Thank you for that, Tony. Although this I know is Dutch. Mother and then father. Vader is father. It's really similar to English if you think about how it sounds and don't look at how it's spelled. I try not to walk on people. Let's see here. Wiest, Wiest, looks like. This car is holding some of Andy's loot. I picked up Andy's auctions this morning. But this is like a really old area. It looks like they're starting to build some new houses around here. There's not much out here. Hey, at least this road is paved now. It all used to be dirt roads a couple years back. Yes, it is. It's really cold, but with a jacket, it's fine. Totally fine. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna get going. I hope everybody's has a really awesome day. And thanks so much for coming in. Let me show you the front of this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Merry Christmas.